In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to update your site title easily. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site title setting, how to edit it, and a few best practices to make it look polished across your website. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Squarespace. On the homepage, click Login and enter your account details. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed in your dashboard. Choose the website you want to update so you're working in the right place. From the dashboard, open the site by selecting it and choosing Go to Website. This takes you to a live preview of your site. Now, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit Site. Depending on your version of Squarespace, you might see a simple edit button at the top. Either way, you're looking for the option that lets you make on-page changes. Once you're in edit mode, move your cursor over the header area at the top of the page. A small menu should appear. Click Edit Site Header. This opens the header editor where your navigation, logo, and site title are managed. Inside this panel, find the area labeled Title or Site Title. This is where your current title is stored. Click the title field or the small edit or pencil icon next to it to make changes. Now type your new title. As you type, you should see a live preview update right on your page, which helps you check spacing, line breaks, and how it looks in your chosen font. Keep your title short, clear, and brand forward, something that's easy to read and instantly recognizable. Consider consistent capitalization, like title case or all caps, to match your brand style. If you also use a logo, make sure the title complements it rather than competing for attention. Take a moment to check how the title looks on mobile by using the mobile preview toggle if it's available. Shorter titles generally wrap better and keep your header tidy on smaller screens. Avoid adding long taglines here. Those are better placed in a separate description field or elsewhere on the page. When you're happy with the update, close the header editor. Squarespace typically prompts you to confirm changes with a Done or Save option. Use that to finalize. Then revisit your site view to confirm the new title appears in the header, and optionally refresh your browser to see it reflected. That's it. You've updated your Squarespace site title quickly and cleanly. If you ever rebrand or refine your messaging, repeat these steps to keep your site consistent and professional.